In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Firefox on Windows 11 quickly and easily. This is a simple fix that can help resolve loading issues, refresh websites, and free up a little space in your browser. If a page is acting strange, not updating properly, or you're just trying to troubleshoot Firefox, clearing the cache is one of the first things you should try. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows and browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Firefox browser on your Windows 11 PC. Once Firefox is open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard all at the same time. This shortcut opens the Clear Data menu right away, which is the fastest way to get to the cache settings. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Time Range to clear. Click the drop-down menu and choose Everything. This makes sure Firefox clears the full cache instead of only removing recent data. Next, you'll see a list of checkboxes. Find Cache, or in some versions it may say Cached Web Content, and make sure that box is checked. This is the setting that removes stored website files used to load pages faster. If you only want to clear cache, be careful not to select other options unless you really want to remove them too. For example, if you check cookies or login data, Firefox may sign you out of websites and delete saved session information. So if your goal is just to clear the browser cache, leave those unchecked. After you've confirmed that cache is selected and the other options are turned off, click the Clear button. Firefox will now delete the cached files from your browser. Depending on how much data has built up, this may take just a moment. Once it finishes, the cache is cleared, and you're done. You can now close the window and go back to browsing with a fresh start. If you were having display issues or websites were not loading correctly, this simple step often fixes the problem right away. And that's how to clear cache in Firefox on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides just like this one.